Finally, guys, I'm gonna be able to try Alfio's here in St. Croix, Virgin Islands. Why? Because of this. It doesn't show on Google, but when you become more like local like me, it opens only Wednesday through Saturday in a really specific time. Let's try it. Hello.
You feel like you're in Italy, like a little Italian bistro, you know, etc. So this is
Alfio's pizza, but actually it's way more than that. It's a beautiful environment here in St. Croix, USVI. The owner is right there in the back cooking. This looks awesome. And it's a boutique restaurant with like prime drinks and a mixologist that prepares the drink. He will come out of the counter soon. I'm just waiting for him. That's the guy. And he's preparing my drink. I think it will be awesome. So, and the owner basically cooks whatever you want him to cook. So let's try. It's exciting. I just came and dropped this beauty right in front of me. Half creamy sauce, half red sauce. Let's try it. Alfio. Prego ragazzo. It's a lot of food. Oh, thank you so much, man. Appreciate you.
it's not man, it's mom.
Mom. Okay.
We call her mom.
Holy moly.
Good? Right?
Wow. The pasta is perfectly al dente, garlicky, seasoned to perfection. It's crazy good. Please present your drink.
Okay, so, oh my gosh. This is a Caribbean iteration of the aviation. Usually made it with gin, I made it with Tito's instead, vodka. Instead of the violet liqueur, we made a Lang Lang liqueur. Our house-made maraschino liqueur made with cognac and fresh lemon juice.
And now your name, please.
My name is Jamani.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
That's beautiful.
And that's a cognac silk cherry.
Oh my God.